have been wearing a Star Wars shirt.
I know, what were you thinking?
Hi everyone, it's John.
And Ben.
And today we're going to be taking a look at an awesome Star Wars figure.
Yes. We are looking at the Star Wars Darth Vader animatronic interactive figure.
This is from Thinkway Toys, and our friends at Thinkway were so nice. They sent one to us to take a look at and review for you guys. And we have had this for a couple weeks, and we have been dying to open this.
We've been pushing the Try Me button on the front.
You hit this red button right here.
Isn't that cool?
Impressive. Most impressive. You are not a Jedi yet.
Hopefully you can hear him okay, but he talks just like in the movie. His lightsaber lights up. So going by the back of the box here, this is a deluxe collector's edition. There's an interactive training / battle mode, and there's a talk mode. There are 31 points of articulation on this Darth Vader.
Let's open him up and find him out.
Yeah, and the lightsaber bin is motion activated.
Oh, sweet.
So I'm sure he's just in demo mode right now. So we're going to take him out of the box. I'm sure it's going to be quite the event to take him out of the box. I'm sure there are twist ties and tape and all sorts of
Well, why don't we show the start of opening him up?
All right, let's
so they can see how bad it's going to be. And all the collectors out there are going, oh my gosh, you're opening it. It says right on there, it's a collector's edition.
We opened it up, we unboxed them so you don't have to.
That's right.
Thinkway sent it to us with the
intention of us opening
it.
Yes, exactly. We can't just show the demo and call it good. Oh, it doesn't look too bad.
We got some
oh, that's not bad at all.
Guys here, there's like some around his knees. Whoops. There's one around his knees. And did we say these were Toys R Us exclusive?
I don't remember.
And Darth Vader here is a Toys R Us exclusive, but there's also a Stormtrooper, and there's also an AT-AT Walker, who I don't think we've seen yet. Or did you see it on Force Friday?
I believe I saw it on Force Friday, and I actually have a clip of it in the demo mode in that Force Friday vlog. Here is Vader, free from the package, and if you turn him around, under his cape, there is a try me, off, and play. And his belt keeps coming unhooked here. I hit the try me by accident.
Impressive. Most impressive.
Take the sticker off here. Boop.
So if you do need to replace Darth Vader's batteries, he takes 3 AA batteries. Obviously they're included right now, but if they die, the sorry, Darth. It's okay. The battery compartment is in his back. Do some training.
Okay.
That's how you're supposed to hold. You're supposed to hold him up with one leg. Too bad I don't have a Luke Skywalker.
Is that all you do with him?
There are different levels of training, too. There's like 4 different levels.
Give yourself to the dark side. You cannot hide forever. Join me, and I will complete your training.
We raise the lightsaber when it is illuminated. Ben, come here.
Nope.
Oh, he said the Force is strong with me.
I have you now.
Isn't this amazing? Isn't it like having your own little Darth that stepped out of the movie?
It is. I kind of wish it walked or something, though. Like, why do the legs have articulation when they don't do anything? They kind of look like they're just kind of getting in the way.
Look, even his fingers are articulated.
That's pretty neat.
Even the tips of his feet.
Hold on, let me zoom in on that.
I stubbed my toe.
That's how they got in the 31.
It's too bad I guess he doesn't really stand up on his own, though.
Well, his foot is bent.
Oh. Oh yeah, I'm kind of like, this is casual Darth.
There we go. Whoop.
Whoa. I still have his toes. Whoa!
There we go. I mean, he's pretty cool, but I wish he walked, and I wish he controlled his lightsaber by himself.
Well, I think that's kind of a fun mode because you can like...
Well, I like the mode. Like, I'm glad you can do that, but I think it would be cool if you could, like, turn him on, push a button, and he, like, walked across the room swinging his lightsaber. I mean, that would be pretty cool.
Well, we can't have everything, Ben. He has 31 points of articulation.
Yeah, and 2 of those points are his toes. I'm not saying this isn't cool. I think it is. It's just I think it would be cool if there was some other stuff.
How often would this be on a Star Wars display, if you're like a hardcore Star Wars fan? And I think there's a lot of fun play there, especially for kids if you can hold him down, but you don't want to get too rough with him because you don't want to twist him at the waist, because I think that must be where all the electronics are. What do you think?
Probably, yeah. There's probably a lot of wiring in there.
Join me, and I will complete your training.
They always make such awesome toys.
Yes, they do. They make really awesome toys.
And if you liked our review of the animatronic Darth Vader, let us know what you thought of him down there in the comments.
And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.
Give yourself to the dark side.
We'll see you next time, everybody.
Join me, and I will complete your training.